Troubleshooting Hisense TV remote control.
Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss what to do if the buttons on your Hisense TV remote control are not responding. This can be quite a common issue, but fortunately, there are simple steps you can take to resolve this problem. In this guide, we'll go step by step to help you troubleshoot and hopefully fix your Hisense TV remote control.
Check the batteries.
First and foremost, check the batteries in your remote. This may sound simple, but it's a common cause of remote control problems. Ensure the batteries are not depleted and are correctly positioned in the battery compartment. If you are unsure, try replacing the batteries with new ones.
Inspect for physical damage.
The next step is to inspect the remote for physical damage. Look closely at the buttons and casing of the remote. If you notice any cracks, stuck buttons, or visible damage, this could be the source of your issue. A damaged remote may require replacement.
Test the infrared signal.
If your remote seems to be in good physical condition, the issue might be with the infrared signal. You can check this by using a smartphone camera. Point the remote at your phone camera and press any button. If the remote is working, you should see a faint light from the infrared emitter in the camera view. If you don't see this light, the remote might be faulty and need replacement.
Reset the remote control.
If none of the above works, try resetting your remote control. This process can differ depending on the model, but generally, you can reset a remote by pressing and holding a combination of buttons. For many Hisense models, pressing and holding the menu button for about 10 seconds will reset the remote. If this doesn't work, refer to your user manual or contact Hisense support.
Contact Hisense support.
If all else fails, the final step is to contact Hisense support. The Hisense customer service team can guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or arrange for a replacement remote if necessary. We hope that this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting your Hisense TV remote control. Remember, start with simple solutions like checking the batteries and move to more complex steps if needed. You can always reach out to Hisense support for further assistance. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope your viewing experience becomes hassle-free soon.